waiting for
PDS?
Lafayette County in south central Wisconsin until 7:30 p.m. At 6:10 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles northeast of Sheridan to Dubuque to near Bernard, moving east at 25 miles an hour. These are destructive storms for Cuba City,
PDS.
Belmont, Benton, Shellisburg, Darlington, and Gratiot. Hazard, 80 miles an hour wind gusts.
PDS.
Source, radar indicated.
Oh my god. Okay.
Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Darlington, Shellisburg, Belmont, Benton, Argyle, Wheaton, New Diggings, South Wayne, Elk Grove, Lamont, Gratiot, Calamine, Lead Mine,
PDS.
and Woodford. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.